Congratulations on your beautiful wedding.
And before ako mag-message sa couple, gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa family ni Pat na mamimiss ko po yung lechon araw-araw. Ang sarap po. Maraming salamat po. Pat, welcome to the Silverio Morna family. Hindi ako iiyak, Uncle. Una ko nakilala si Pat, actually mas una ko pa siyang na-meet in person kaysa kay Jandrex. Kasi nagpunta na siya sa amin. Nagtatrabaho pa si Jandrex sa Japan. So, pinakilala siya ni Jabe sa akin. And then, if I remember correctly, kumain kami ng ice cream sa terrace namin. Habang nagchichismisan kami, nahilig kami doon, na-realize namin na meron kaming common obsession kay Taylor Swift. So from there, lahat na Easter egg, story sa kanta, yun yung pinagkwentuhan namin. Hanggang 11 a.m., di ba? Tapos may flight siya kinabukasan. So Pat, gusto ko lang sabihin, since day 1 na na-meet kita, mahal ka na namin. Ano ba yan? Wait lang. So, syempre, nung nalaman kong Taylor Swift fan siya as a Swiftie, sobrang saya ko. Kasi wala akong makarelate, makausap sa family namin. So, siya talaga yun. Sabi ko, eto na talaga. So, ang gut feel ko that time, she is the one. Diba? Na-predict ko na yan. Sabi ko, it's just a matter of time before mag-propose ni Jandrex. So, 2 years in the relationship, true enough, nag-propose ka. Diba? So, si Jandrex naman, Diyos ko, Jandrex. When I say you're my cousin, what I really meant is, you're my childhood. Si Jandrex kasi, since magkapit-bahay kami, kasi nakatira kami sa isang compound, from babysitter to playmate, as in, pag-gising sa umaga, kami magkakasama. Actually, trio po kami. Nawala lang yung isa, so shout out kay Marlo. Pero kami po yung lagi magkakasama. As in, kumain, maligo, hanggang matulog kami tatlo. Sabi ko, hindi ako iiyak, pero naiyak ako. So, dati, ang pinag-aaralan namin, mag-gitara. Yan. Sa tindahan ni Auntie Nene habang nagtitinda. Then eventually, as we grow older, syempre, hindi na kami rin masyado nagkakasama. But even when we have time to catch up, nagiinuman kami, kwento. Kasi si Jandrex, tahimik po talaga siya. Kung kilala niya siya, hindi siya masyadong nag-open up. So, nakikinig lang yan. And alam ko mahirap yung pinagdaanan niya sa Japan. Kaya masaya ako nakilala niya si Pat kasi nakauwi siya. Diba? So, thank you, Pat. So, as a Swiftie, Pat, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na you married a big man. I call him Taguro kasi malaki. You married a man with a big heart as big as his bicep. And as one of my favorite Taylor Swift song goes, you are safe and sound. Piling nanay. Sorry na, ito pa yung mga message ko sa'yo, Pat. Sasabihin ko lahat to kasi sayang. May your love be always enchanted. May your relationship never goes out of style. When life throws its challenges to you and Jandrex, please shake it off. Never let a bad day turn into bad blood. Speak your truth, always, but never say goodbye. And let your love be fearless, full of trust, laughter, and understanding. Be supportive of each other through the eras of your life. Happy or sad, up or down. And most importantly, even when life gets messy, always remember, you belong with each other. Drex, we share the joy of growing up. You're the living proof that good guys do the amazing girl. And I hope you and Pat not only grow old together, but keep growing with each other toward the best version of yourselves. So tonight, Pat, is the start of your wildest dreams. And yes, I hope it's gonna be forever because this wedding alone is already legendary. With all of my love to both of you, Jadrex and Pat, Ate Rose.
Wow!